Hi, welcome back to part 3. In this section, I will demonstrate on the use of the for statement and the fall through in the case statement. Let's begin coding. Begin with the words for. Set the variable count start with 1 and count will increase depend on the maximum items given for each state. Print count numbers and lines over here on the web browser. Alright, we are done coding. Let us test the code. Type in Orchard Town over here and click OK. Great, it works. Alright, let's add in two new states called Woodland and Newton. In the case statement, we can have a fall through, and it looks like this. Next, we display the shipping of the items for 2 weeks, and we change the items here for ordered 5 days. Let us run the code. Let's test it out. We type in Newton. Click OK. Okay, good, great, it works. How about Woodland? Wonderful, it works. Thank you for watching.